Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own line art image using any picture you have on Inkscape, and I'm using Inkscape 1.0. So let's get started without wasting any time. First we'll get the opacity down for this image. We click on the image and select this tool, the edit object, and we bring the opacity down to half, about 50%. Next we click this draw bezier curves and straight lines, and you should select ellipse on shapes, and then you just click and add a point on one edge and one at the other. So I'll show you how you can do it. So first you make a point on one edge of the board, and then make a second one on the other edge, and next you click enter on your keyboard, and it will make an ellipse shaped line. And now to curve it down, we select this tool, and when it shows the hand, you can just click and drag it down. Done. So now we'll create this bottom portion of the boat. Now we select the same tool, one point over here, second one, third, fourth. Click enter, and now you can just curve them. I'll curve this one a little bit inward, this one also inward, and this one I'll curve it a little bit out to towards the outward. Okay, now we have to create these sails on the boat, and then you select this same tool and start making the sails. One point, second one, and the third one at the edge of this sail. Click enter, and remember this is only a rough drawing. It doesn't have to be precise. Okay, next you just curve these by the same tool, a bit inwards, this one a bit outwards, and now choose the same tool and do it for the other sail over here. Enter on the keyboard, the curves tool, curve this a little bit inward and this one a bit out. The same tool, this. Now you start from the bottom and do the same thing, but now you have to make three points, like 3 lines. Enter on the keyboard, the curves tool, and remember, if you do something wrong, you can always undo it by clicking Ctrl Z and bring this one a bit outwards. Now there's only one last sail left. We do the same on that. Point here, another one here, and one here. Click enter on the keyboard, and now you can just curve it as you want. This one a bit outwards, inwards, and this one a bit outwards. And now we can create these sticks or rods getting out from the coming out on the top of the boat, and we do the same. This one is easier. Just make a point over here, another one, enter, one here, one here, enter, one here, and one here, enter. And now, oh, I did this one wrong, so I can just hit Ctrl Z and do it again. Oh, click one here, enter. Okay, now you can just curve these a little to give it a nice shape. I'll just curve this a bit outward. The same for these two, a bit outward. And now the outline is finished, and we choose this, and we just press on the outer image and press delete on the keyboard. And now you can see you have this line art image using a boat or a sailboat, and you can do this with any other image you have. So please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification button so you don't miss out any of my videos. Thank you very much, and bye.